Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing my February budget setup with you guys. Alright, so I have everything that I need. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like my monthly spread with you guys. So it goes a little something like this. Yeah, and I have everything set up over here, but I'm not sure if I'll do the sticker portion with you guys to kind of lay out when I have a bill coming out or whatnot. We'll see how this video goes. I don't want it to be too long. So let's just jump right into it. I'm going to start off by putting the month right here because it is now February. How awesome is that? Let me just get my little February set up there. Yeah, so I have my calendar and all that. So let's just get February in here. All right, so this month for my total income, I'm just gonna say income and call it a day. Yep, so I am going to be budgeting $3,714. There's like 26 cents, I think. Yeah, so $3,714. That's what we're budgeting for this month. So I'm going to start off with groceries. And groceries will be getting a total of $500. Next I have gas. And gas will be getting $200 for the month. I've been doing quite a bit of traveling now that my son has his basketball practice and training and all of that. So I have to be doing a little bit more driving, not like last year and my last budget. My gas was a little bit like lower. So next I have entertainment. I'll just put entertain because the full word won't fit in. And I have $40 budget for entertainment, which I hope the $40 will be good enough because I have a few plans for the month of February. So hopefully that works out. And next is my miscellaneous, and that is going to be $40 for that as well. So let's do a little bit of math and see how much that totals out to. So I have 500 plus 200 plus 40 plus 40, and that gives me $780. Okay, next up is my bills. Don't go into details, you guys know the know. But for this month, I have a total of, my monthly bill for this month is a little high, which I'm not even gonna say too much about that. My total is going to be $1,300 and what did I say? $44.89. That's what I total out in bills. Next, I'm just going to go into my debts. And for debts, I have Visa number 1. Okay. So we're going to call that Visa number 1. Then I have Visa number 2. Then my other credit card is actually a MasterCard. And then I have a balance tuition for my last year of university. So I budgeted, I'm gonna just continue to pay $290. I paid $290 last month, so I'm gonna do the same. And then I'll pay $70 for my second credit card. For my MasterCard, I am going to budget $177. I know it's an odd number, but that's just what it is. And then for tuition, I'm going to pay $20 I told you guys last time I'm not in a rush to pay this. It's not that much anyways. So I'm just going to slowly work my way and kind of get that out of the way. It's a easy peasy lemon squeezy type of budget. Nothing too complex. So as far as my cash stuff in, my sinking funds envelope, I am just going to do the subcategories, meaning the binders that I have. So the first binder is my lifestyle binder. And for that, I budgeted, let me just get my paper here. So in total, I budgeted $130 to stuff in that binder. And I'll just divvy it up between all of my cash envelopes. Let me just quickly check how many. So $130 is going to be divided between pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 envelopes in here, and that is where that $130 will go. And the reason why I'm not writing every single envelope down and then put in the designated amount, one, I don't have the space, and two, it's just a little tedious. I already have it written down ahead of time, so I already know how this $130 will be divvied. So my next binder is, I'll just skip a line, is my high priority binder. Okay. And that binder will be getting $185. Next, I have my dream home binder, which I'm super excited to stuff that one. And for that, I budgeted $85. And then the next one is my business binder. And that one I budgeted $35. Not a lot, but we are going to make this year amazing. We're gonna stuff a little, but we're gonna make it work. You're gonna see how things are gonna add up, and let's see how much I have going towards my sinking funds. So I have 130 plus 185 plus 85 plus 35, and that gives me $435 in total going towards my sinking funds for the month of February, which is awesome. Now, do you see how things are adding up? Because it looks a little, but in total, there's a lot going on, I think. Now, for my saving challenges, I am going to budget $300, and that will be divided up between all of my saving challenges that I have, which my saving challenge book is right here. So I'm just going to go through each challenge and then stuff whatever amount, and maybe some will get stuffed and others won't. We'll just see how the $300 will be divvy. And I should have put it over here, I'm so silly. So 300, and that is just for my challenges. All right, so let's see how much I have going out and do like a little subtraction from this. So 780 plus 1,344 and 89 plus, oh, I forgot to do this one. Oh my gosh, that sucks. Let's start over. So let me just add up my debts so I could do things properly. So 290 plus 70 plus 177 plus $20. That gives me $557 going towards debt. All right, so now let's do things properly. So $780 for my cash envelopes, plus $1,344.89 towards my bills, plus $557 towards debt, plus $435 towards my sinking funds, plus $300 going towards my saving challenges, and that gives me, wow, that was kind of close. So in total, going out is $3,416.89. So if I do 3,714 and 26, that was my computer. So $3,714.26. Take away, I don't even know how I have this weird 89 cents here. That is so weird. Oh, because of this one right here. Okay, so that subtract $3,416.89 gives me $297.37. Let me just highlight that. So this will be in my buffer for the month, and I always go over it in my grocery bill, so hopefully things doesn't get like too dramatic, because I only have $297.37 left over in my buffer. So that is it for my budget setup for the month of February. Hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, bye. I'll see you in my cash stuff-in video. That's coming up next. Yeah, that's on the roster. So thank you guys for watching. Once again, I am so looking forward to February. Bye guys.